show you experiment of candle experiment.
Okay. So the materials required for your experiment are?
Candle and plate and glass.
Okay. Then how we will start the process? First,
One candle.
light the candle.
Light the candle.
Let's start the oxygen. Wow.
Next, what we will do? How to check that? What we are checking? That fire needs
When fire need
oxygen.
fire need oxygen.
Okay.
What are we
Then
going to do next?
next,
We
put on the
put
glass.
it on the glass.
Okay. Let's do it.
What's happening?
Alright, what's happening here? Shall we wait for some time? Fire goes
Fire goes out.
Fire goes out. White goes out.
We put it glass. Fire goes out.
Yes, because it's not getting.
Oxygen.
Yes, it's not getting oxygen. All right. Well done, everyone.